You know, this is the first sleepover party that you have people dancing in our bedroom. I've never seen that before. But it's about to get really hot in here. A famous comedian, Triple X, recently posted a video called Side Chick Chronicles that raised a few eyebrows and ruffled a few feathers. Take a look.
You see more while when me talk, you don't feel like say a slackness me a promote. But me have to be real, me have to split justice. Ladies, before you attack the girl where you take your man, sometimes you have to really and truly sit down and think about the circumstances will lead her to becoming your matey. You understand? Sometimes it's not like she really want to be your matey, you know. But because good man so short out the road and man way financially well endowed, short, she have to take care of her man, because your man take care of her, she see it, you know. But she kind of wants some more you want. I don't really say ready eye about the ambition. And then the next thing too, some of them can't really afford to have a man for themselves. Because a man for themselves, I would have a responsibility. You have to wash, cook and clean. You have to take bone. All them something they come with a man for yourself. And then the next thing, some of them granny was a side chick, them mama a side chick, them a side chick, and if them breed all them girl pick the ton side chick. So a genetics, you can't beat somebody for genetics.
Yeah, with us is Shawneel Bailey, Managing Director of Zaravel, who will be keeping it real with us. Yeah, you know, Triple X says it how it is. You heard what he said about that particular topic. What's your stance?
First of all, Triple X, I mean, his name alone means a little extra. But real extra. But I mean, I think it's kind of, I think he's stepping it over a bit, because when you think about it, that part when you mentioned genetics, I think that was funny, real funny. But I personally think that in Jamaica, we try to make it okay.
We normalize
to do, yeah. You know, we normalize infidelity. You know, oh yeah, I expect my boyfriend to have an extra girlfriend. I expect this of this person. So I personally think he's probably one of the person helping to normalize this. That's what I would say.
I want to know though, do you think men can be side chicks?
Oh gosh. Side men?
Side men.
They exist, okay. Yes.
And what's the difference between side men?
Well, I mean, we both know that females and male, they do love differently. So men, sometimes they do it, well, not sometimes, most times they do it for the physical. Girls, you have the few that do it for the physical, and then most times it's because they're missing something in their current relationship, they seek outside niceness. So, oh, sorry.
No, go ahead, sweetheart, go ahead.
No, so I would say the side men exist for that reason. So they know this female is lacking something. They give them that feeling of, yes, this is what I have for you. But we all know what they really want.
This topic, I think for me personally, I'm kind of over it. I think one, we as women, we are kind of raised societally to think that it is okay. And I think even right now, being a side chick is something that is a broadcast, it's glorified. Yes. And we're also told, you know, if he's a good man and he's taking care of you, what you're bothering up yourself for, you must just accept it. And I just want to take the opportunity to say that you do not have to accept infidelity, and you do not have to accept a side chick. And just to add to that, it's funny, I don't hear people saying, well, good women are short, you know, so, you know, if you know, she cook for you, she wash for you, she clean for you, she do everything for you, so just go on bill now.
Yes.
She can have her side man, just go on bill. Nobody says that, but somehow we must just be okay with it. I'm over the topic, I'm over side chicks, I'm over it.
How do we get to the point where we stop making it normal?
Well, for me, I think that was a very good point, Terry, for sure. A lot of times, even in music, when you hear they sing about it, if they don't have 5 women, sorry, oh God, don't kill me, 5 women, you know, they're not considered a gallus, they're not doing the best in their group. And I feel like it's a lot of times, as we mentioned, it's so normalized where it's the same. Like you're told, so him just give you a bun, you go really leave him. You know?
I think for me, the conversation has to change. So for example, as she says, music is one, the type of parties, or, you know, how you make one look better than the other. Like normally if you look on Instagram, the wife look pop down, but the side chick looks like sexy, and just those comparisons. But not just that. Let's have the conversation about what infidelity probably means for families, the breakdown in families, communication, sexually transmitted diseases. Nobody says side chicks could mean more sexual partners, possible sexual attraction. Nobody has those real conversations.
And I think even with the recent thing with Kevin Hart, that's been in the media a whole lot. And I heard another comedian say it, this man is worth millions. Why should his wife have a problem with it? Which I have a problem with.
Germs, all of them, germs.
And I don't want to put it that way, but if people get comfortable
saying germs.
People get comfortable saying, you know, a man has this amount of money, he should
this amount of power.
Yeah, he should be able to get with it.
And she should just deal with it.
I agree because, I mean, for example, she's pregnant.
Like
you know,
I
personally think, exactly, I personally think when a guy cheats on his pregnant wife, that, I mean, obviously cheating full stop is wrong, but cheating while your wife is pregnant shows like you can't even control yourself a couple of months.
There's also a myth, and there's a myth amongst Jamaican men. I have a few of them as friends, and you hear them speaking as well. A lot of them think that because they have a side chick, she has to be loyal to him.
Oh gosh.
They don't understand.
Men, not all.
No, I'm talking about most. They think that she has to be loyal to him. She can't possibly have anybody else. And that is a myth, gentlemen. The mere fact you are sharing yourself with someone, there's a high possibility that your extra, partner is doing the same. So please be wise and be cognizant of what that might mean, bringing that back to your partner.
You know, that's funny. I actually know somebody that they were telling their story and they had two side persons, and I'm telling you, he was mad that one of them cheated, and he was like, I was so broken. I went to the party and I saw her with a guy.
Because let me be honest with you, men are highly emotional and easily.
They will never admit it.
Yeah, we won't admit it, but I can admit it. Men
never.
Yeah, but thank you so much for keeping it real with us, Shawnee Bailey, Managing Director of Zarabel.
About genetics. Go get a visa if you need to find a good man.
A visa?
Yeah, go a different country if they're short in Jamaica.
Come on, the best men are in Jamaica. Jamaican men don't cheat.
I'm sorry. We'll be back.